Guys, tell me if I look bad.
Have you ever looked good? This is official room reveal.
You know what? I have hope for my daughter. She's moving out. Maybe she'll be independent. She's not making anything in this bowl. I'm gonna come here and there's gonna be dust.
I've actually never been so heartbroken in my life.
If you can't connect to the Wi-Fi network, you might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
Why is it that every single time I go to film a video there is a massive pulsating pimple that has just appeared out of nowhere? Okay, anyway. Hey guys, I've kind of been gone for a minute, like, we don't need to talk about it, alright? Most important thing is, I'm back, and
For your hairspray. Are you making a vlog?
it's the day that I am moving into university. Just a little bit nervous, but I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a little bit stressful, but it's fine. We're gonna do some room decorations. We're gonna, just the whole shebang, okay? And you guys are gonna experience it with me. So if you've never been to uni before, or you are planning on going to uni, then you can use me as your, I don't know. You can just live vicariously through me. Just pretend, it's fine. You're not going to uni? You're going to uni now. It's like 9 AM, I think. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. Oh, that pimple is actually so bad.
This is giving it's really cinematic, I feel like.
Yeah, literally, I feel like I need to put some like sad montage music.
Yeah, no, you do. It's really giving like in the movies. Really guys, tell me if I look bad.
Have you ever looked good? $1 million pussy. Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Never mind.
Were you about to say something out of pocket, Hannah?
No, I wasn't actually. I was just gonna say when you stop recording.
Okay. Right, this is obviously not all of my stuff.
This is obviously not what
yeah.
I look like on a day-to-day basis. Don't listen to her.
Right, I've got some stuff in the back, but we're gonna go to my flat. Oh shit, I forgot the permit. I knew I was forgetting something.
It's in your room.
Yeah, so I can get it.
Yeah.
Oopsie, we're not leaving just yet.
That was like really good. Get it with, guys. This is so heavy.
Gucci flip flops, Spikey hit your bitch in the socks. It's a big watch, diamond.
Whoopsies. We're here, guys. Oh, do you want to tell the class what happened?
We got in and I can't get my keys till 11. So
it is currently
20 past 10.
Wait, oh my god, I want to
fine.
do where they like record. Oh my god. You know, like get ready with me like
Yeah,
it's
I know.
6 AM and I have school at 10.
We're gonna go and get more stuff to fill up my car a bit because my car's currently like empty.
Basically,
Yeah. But I was like,
maybe you can fill up more.
Yeah, we're gonna get more stuff and then come back. It'll only take like, I think it'll be perfect timing.
Is there a way you can make me look more tanned?
Probably like the lighting settings. But I think you're too pale, to be honest. I don't think there's much hope for you left.
Oh god, where do I look?
This is official room reveal. I've just got in. This is my immediate reactions. It's such a cute little room. I love it. This is my home. Oh, it's not even in focus.
How sweet, how bad.
Literally, it's so big. Like, Anna can come and stay around with me. She's gonna sleep right here. And yeah, and this is my toilet. Oh, put the light on. It's really cute. I don't know, it was a bit flashy.
So good you have a mirror though.
Yeah, there's a cute mirror. I'm gonna take. Oh, this is where all my mirror pics are gonna be now.
Wait, do you have a little mirror so you can do your makeup?
Yeah, I've got one. This is my view.
I'm blinded.
Okay, the curtains are kind of ugly, but it's okay. We can get past it.
What's ugly?
The curtains.
Yes, they are. You do.
And I've got so much wardrobe space. Look at that, I can fit all my clothes in here. I don't even have, do I have hangers? Okay, we've moved most of the stuff in here. We're such big, strong girls.
No, literally, like, do you see how she's out of breath and I'm not?
I'm actually not out of breath. Yeah, so we're gonna start unloading this stuff and unpacking it. I still need to get my PC, but That's a job for later.
She's such a gamer girl, guys.
I am.
God.
But yeah, that's a job for later.
Do you know what? Good thing you've got. Why'd you have 2 bins?
I don't know. What's this
that's
one?
recycling.
Oh, I've got recycling in my
Oh,
room.
that's fancy. But good thing you got a bin.
Yeah, it is a good. I mean, I've got a bin at home anyway that I could have brought, but now I don't need to because I've got my own bin. Okay, anyway, cue the unpacking montage.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen trying to sort out like the mess that is going on right here. There is
Guys, you need to think, right? She has no one here. How is she supposed to tell her friends?
yeah,
Where
like,
to put her shit?
No one else has moved. I met one girl that
Blame
moved,
them.
but she hasn't even moved in yet. So I've just kind of like taken. But I've just taken.
Every time I hear footsteps, I get taken.
No, me too. I've just taken these cupboards and claimed them as my own.
Oh yeah, where are you putting?
Like what else?
Bruv, I'm sorry, bruv. She like,
guys.
she needs help. She needs help. This is a disease. This is a habit that she needs to get. This is an addiction.
I love mayo.
And I'm worried for her.
I love mayo. I love it.
This is bad. Like, look at the difference. Like, get a normal size, bruv. This is enough. I need to say
I really hope that no one like in their room like just like is listening to us like, oh my god, who are these loud new girls? They're so annoying. They're gonna think that she lives here as well from how often she's just gonna be here.
No,
like,
literally. I'm trying my best here.
do you not think I put mayo and ketchup in the fridge?
No, until you open it. When you open it,
okay.
They're loud, not us. Fucking hell. That's actually.
Oh my god, that really scared me.
No, I'm only shatting myself and I need a shit as well. It like really came out. But just don't forget, because it has eggs.
What has
It
eggs?
needs to go in the fridge. After you
Oh,
open it.
yeah.
And tomatoes.
Yeah. Good. You're right.
I don't really know. Is everyone buying like loads of dish soap? Like, is everyone just like?
I don't know,
And
but
why is every window open?
I feel like it's gonna be a thing of like, you know how I've got a bunch of random stuff. I'm gonna have random things that other people don't have but need, but they're gonna have random things that I need but don't have. So I'm hoping we're gonna just do a bit of like
Swaps.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah, like if someone needs kitchen foil.
You're not baking shit, bruv. She's not baking anything. Her mum thought, you know what, I have hope for my daughter. She's moving out, maybe she'll be independent. She's not making anything in this bowl. I'm gonna come here and this is gonna be dusty as fuck. So, this is just,
Can we keep it PG for YouTube, please?
oh sorry.
Probably children watch.
Wait, what did I say?
You said that's his fan.
Oh sorry, just dusty. Just bleep it out. What's this for? Oh,
That's a lid for my pot.
no greedy.
I could kick you out right now. This is my territory now.
Yeah, but like, where am I supposed to go?
Exactly. Okay.
No, your mum knew you weren't doing any no cutting up.
Oh yeah, that's what I was talking
Yeah,
about.
this
You got me a
is
vegan offer.
good. This is actually
That
really
is
good.
Yeah.
Salad's already done, like, bro.
But she was like,
If you don't know what to put on it, then just do this. It's all
I
about
think
the
there's
seasoning.
loads of seasoning here as well.
yeah, I think she's actually pre-made them for me because she
Yeah.
knows I can't fucking season shit.
Oh god. How are you gonna survive, William?
I know.
What's this? Oh yeah, it's the seasoning as well. Oh, I'm gonna have to bin all these fucking boxes after.
Oh yeah. Oh, but we can just take them back from Mum's house, maybe she'll want to. Okay guys, mukbang time. We're taking a break from the moving because this girl was getting a little bit hungry. She wanted to eat.
I was being starved and kept for hostages.
Oh,
And that's what you get for trying to mock me.
I got the new chicken katsu wrap and it's so good. It's so good.
Basic quarter pounder with bacon.
I just hope she's at home. Oh, I forgot I was filming. I literally forgot that was there. Anyway, yeah, process has been going good. I'm enjoying it. I love my room. I've met one of my flatmates and she's really sweet. And she added me to a group chat with like all the other people that are in my flat, but they haven't moved in yet.
They're all friends. And
Yeah, I'm like, oh, I was the odd one out. I was like, we all found each other how?
Let me in, please. Let me in.
people are so like just let me in. Sometimes do you ever just hear yourself and then like it replays back to you in like 2 seconds and you're like, why the fuck did I just sound like that? Do you know what I mean?
Do you know one thing that I do that really annoys me?
What?
Is I repeat
everything? Me too, yeah.
Okay, like 3 hours, more than 3 hours later, but I'm finally unpacked, sort of ish. I still need to like sort out whatever the hell is going on with this desk situation, but I think that's gonna be later on's problem. I'm gonna have a shower, I think, and then sort out my desk and then go to bed because I'm actually exhausted. I'm a shell of a woman. God, people don't actually talk about how stressful it is, like moving. It's just so long. Like unpacking my clothes was probably the worst part of it. I did not know I owned that many clothes until you're unfolding them and putting them in a wardrobe. Like why do I have so many clothes? Time to have a shower, I think. Do not play with me and my hoodie game. What's it called? An hoodie? Hoodie? I don't know. I just had the nicest shower ever. I feel amazing, I feel rejuvenated, I feel like a new person, to be quite honest. But do you want to know something crazy that I'm really upset about? I was ready to get in bed, snuggle up with my brand new hot water bottle that I purchased from B&M, which is indeed a dinosaur? A dragon? I actually don't know what he is, but he's great. I'm like, oh, let me go put the kettle on, like getting it ready. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? Where's the lid? I've actually never been so heartbroken in my life. So best know tomorrow I will be going to B&M and screwing the lid off someone else's one and ruining their day instead. Because why ruining my day? Anyway, I think I'm gonna go in bed and go to sleep. We're gonna ignore the state that I'm in right now. Okay, we're gonna look past it. We're not gonna let this change the value of our relationship. Because I look awful. I've got some things I've got to do today. I'm honestly exhausted. I can't even like stay home and have a cup of tea because I don't have milk. So I need to go out and do some shopping. I think I'm gonna go to Lidl because that's the cheapest. I'm just, I've just got things to buy.
You can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
Thank you for that. Thank you. If anyone knows how to connect like Google Nest Mini thingies to uni Wi-Fi, then please let me know because I'm struggling. I can't connect. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here and start a new video. So if you're interested in knowing what I'm gonna be doing today, then stay tuned for my next video because that's what I'm gonna vlog today, if that makes sense. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my moving in vlog. Peace.